Okay guys, it's been a while since I made a video, so I got a kind of interesting tool in here today, so I thought I'd make a video about it. This is a what they call a multi-pitch thread mill, and what this does is allows me to, if I focus there, to thread small holes down to 1032, which is pretty common in the paintball world here. So I can thread 1032 holes with this without having to use a tap. And the advantage of that is when I'm making these pump handles like this, you can see these, you might be able to see here, these are threaded all the way down, or down to a blind hole, and there needs to be full form threads all the way down to the bottom of that hole. And what I was doing before was using a bottoming tap by hand and tapping that in there, and there's nothing wrong with that, but it just takes a while and is not real consistent. If you don't have the right feel, you can strip those small threads out of that plastic very easily. So what this allows me to do is to be able to thread these holes in a much more reliable, repeatable manner where I'm going to have less scrap. So the machine's queued up with another one of these tools in it right now, so we're going to head over to the machine and take a look at it threading. So we'll just hit start. Just hit start on the machine. So you can see that thread mill down in that hole, and that's going to reliably thread to the same position every time. And you see it's much faster than trying to tap it or doing a single form thread mill, because all I have to do is go around that hole about 1.5 times and I've formed all the threads that I need for that hole. Now, the reason I'm going around each thread twice is just so that I make sure that I don't overload the tool. It is very small and I would hate to break it. It's a rather expensive tool. But yeah, that's it. And hopefully I get knock these things out while the other parts are out getting anodized. So stay tuned for more updates, and already starting on another project. I'll put you on pause here and bring you over to the lathe and show you what I got going on over there. So as some of you might have seen in some of my other videos, that I have a light version of my pneumatic assist kits prototyped out. Well, this is the valve core for the production runs. This is through the first operation. It still needs to be tapped in the back and have a flat put on this 1/4 inch section, but this is the first part of it. So I'm going to put you guys on pause. I'm going to load another part into the lathe and give it a run and show you guys what it's doing. Alright, so I got the coolant turned off for this run, so I'm going to be just squirting some WD-40 on it manually. But we're ready to go, so I'm going to hit cycle start and get it going. I do a little change of speed right there so that I get a good surface finish on this area here, because the rest of it's going to get roughed off. saves a little bit of cycle time doing it that way. I just do 2 slow passes there so that I don't have to take a spring pass. Just keeps the material from deflecting away from the cutter. O-ring grooves are next. Now we're going to do the radius. And cut it off. And that's it, one part done. Another couple feet of this rod to go. So hope you enjoy the video, and if you like what you see here, just stay tuned and we'll keep pumping them out here. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye.